my loves, welcome back to our channel. I'm so happy to be here with you guys again. And before we step in to our review, I really want to take this time to be super excited about joining Carrie M. Okay, Carrie M. I am Carrie M on Instagram. Check her out. She is so fire. She asked me to collaborate with her on her Wigmas, Slaymas, Christmas, holiday wig extravaganza, and I am so excited that she asked me. So we are just going to go on through, hang out with the girls, and get our wigs together. But I first want to introduce you guys to her. If you don't already know her, which you probably do, sis is amazing. Like, when I say that, one of the things I like most about Carrie is her videos. Like, I really like the quality of them. She has an amazingly down-to-earth personality. It is like really like, y'all think I'm a homegirl? She's your homegirl's homegirl, okay? So I really do love her energy. I just love the product that she constantly puts out. It's always quality. It's always top notch. And quite frankly, I don't really watch a lot of, I don't want to say I don't watch a lot of YouTubers. I support a lot of YouTubers, but I'm not big on watching a lot of content because I don't want it to sway how I feel about things when I come to you guys with my content, right? However, there is something about Carrie that I binge watch her stuff. Like, I'll like miss her for a few weeks and then I'll go in and just go ham. Like, you know what I mean? And it's primarily because she continuously puts on like fire content. And I think that of all of the girls that are growing in this space and creating an avenue for themselves, she is fire. So y'all need to go check mama out and see what she's working with today. But I want to get into the unit that we're going to be getting in on today. Okay? Let's get on into Hurela Hair. Hurela Hair sent me an 18-inch highlight wig. Okay? And I am actually super excited about this. I'm going to keep it 100. Before I started this review, mother was tired, okay? I was being grown last week and busting down and doing all the grown people tangs, and I was tired. Okay? I came home, back broke, couldn't barely do nothing, all right? But I still wanted to come here and give you guys a little something because, quite frankly, I'm inspired by Carrie, and I wanted to make sure that I gave her the respect that mother deserves, okay? So this has 2 combs in the front, okay? 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever. And then it has this silk base parting, and I really do appreciate that, and I'm going to turn it over so you guys can see what that actually gives you. I'm really here for this. Now, this is my first time trying the Hurela Hair unit, so we're gonna get on into her and see what she's working with. All right, guys, we are back with our Hurela Hair 150% density blonde highlight piano wig. So again, I have this unit in 18 inches, and this is the lace part wig. You guys will not believe how affordable this unit is. This unit is currently going for just $127.86, okay? So it's good for the coins, as Miss Carrie says. So what we're going through now is with our Bold Hold Liquid Gold and just making sure that we get her nice and tacky so we can lay just that lace closure part. So this is a 4x4 lace part, a lace closure, and I'm really into how this looks. Now, I love the ease of lace closures. I don't know about you guys, but the more and more I deal with frontal units, the more and more I appreciate a little bit of closure, okay? So I'm just going to get this unit all the way together, and I'm going to curl her up and like curl. I genuinely don't know why my mouth does not want to work today, but we're going to plug on through. So this unit is very big head friendly, and I mean that in a good way. I feel super secure in her, and I did not have to Wakanda Forever her in the back at all. So I really do like how she's laying, and once I put the combs in, I felt like she was not coming out at all. So I'm just going to use my Tresemme Firm Hold Spray just to get the curls to stay a little bit longer. We want them to hold, and I'm just going to curl it up with my barrel curler and clip in my little duck pin. So I'm just clipping the duck pins just to make sure that the curls hold for as long as possible, okay? So I didn't experience any much of any shedding, and I think that's primarily because this is really a fantastic unit, and it's super lightweight, and it's 150% density, but it feels so light, and I appreciate that. Now I'm going to shut my mouth and let y'all get into the styling. Playing with her. I took my time, curled her up with our barrel curler, and I must say this unit is fire. Like, I love the way this hair feels, like, a lot. Okay, the way that she took the curl, the way that she responded to my hairspray. Now I used the Tresemme extra firm control, and that's because this is not like black girl hair. Okay, so you know, I wouldn't use that on my hair, but I'm going to use this on like any type of human hair where it's a really silky texture like this one, so I can make sure that those curls hold and they bouncy. So I'm going to say this. I'm obsessed. I'm really feeling this unit. I'm really feeling this hair. I love the highlight color. I'm really kind of glad I got her in only 18 inches. Like, sometimes long hair, I'm kind of like, like, you could do something really cute with a nice, with just a couple inches. That's all the kid need. You don't need too much. So, now, I will say this. The texture of this hair, when I first touched the hair, I thought it was a little too silky. And that's just being honest. Like, I thought, like, it was too silky, because sometimes too silky can come off too thin, right? But after just zhuzhing her up, adding a little bit of hairspray, adding some curls, she really is giving me that light, natural feel that I really think, you know, Meg Ryan, Jennifer Lopez, and the girls be thinking. They be having it. Like, you know what I mean? So I'm really feeling that kind of goodness. Like, I'm loving how effortless this looks. I'm loving how easy this unit was to get together. Because it's just this. This is the only lace right here. Like, come on. So I'm like, I'm really feeling it. Like, I want to know what you guys think about just the lace frontal parting. Like, I love a lace, the lace parting right here. I live for a frontal, right? Just like, you know, the girls. But I enjoyed the ease of just a closure. I just enjoy that. Like, I think it's just, you know, it's super easy if you're looking for a beginner-friendly human hair wig. This is definitely one of them. And it still gives you that natural look that you want. You don't want to look too wiggy or anything like that. And she still provides you with that. And I feel like Mother is serving. What y'all think? What you think? I'm loving it. I experienced minimal shedding, but that's because I was playing in her a lot. So don't attribute that to her. Attribute that to me, okay? She did not tangle at all. At all. And I was worried about that because, again, I thought she was too silky, but that wasn't even a problem, honey. It wasn't even a problem. This unit is bomb. I almost wish I would have got it in more inches because I just like inches, okay? But I think that this is very effortless, very chic. You could do a lot with her, and you don't need a lot, and it's lightweight. Listen, y'all, check them out. I'm really impressed with this collaboration, and I'm really excited that we have embarked on a new journey with a new company. So we'll be getting more units from them, okay? And getting into them because this was really fun to do. And I hope you guys check them out. And before we go, make sure you check out Miss Carrie, okay? Carrie M, we want to thank her for coming through and providing us with some jingle jangle, okay, on this Good Friday, and just letting us spread all this love, cheer, and wigs all over YouTube. Okay, you picking up what I'm putting down? So if you have not already, check out Miss Carrie. If you came over here from Miss Carrie, channel Carrie M, then I appreciate you. Hey girl, hey, bust down, subscribe to this channel, okay? And I'll see you beautiful mugs later. Make sure you go over there and tell your girl I sent you, okay? And I'll see you later.